I want to talk about our lightning ball plyos. We use these for our softball athletes for overhand throwing development, arm care, cuff work, and rotational development. So it comes in a set of 4. We have a black 2-pound, a blue 1-pound, a pink 9-ounce, and a green 7-ounce. And we have a program that comes with the lightning balls to show you how to use them, the weights to use for specific exercises, and how to program throughout your season. So check them out, High Level Throwing lightning balls, on our website at highlevelthrowing.com.